We are in the center of Old Towne, Manassas, to introduce you the Old Towne Veterinary Clinic. This is one of the best clinics in this area. When I took my dog, Rusty, when he was living with us, to different clinics, he always was scared, nervous, and sad, and aggressive too. But when we brought him here, he always was happy, and he always loved to come here. So we became friends with the doctor and his wife, Dr. Samuel Martinez and Virginia Martinez. The mission of the clinic is to provide you with care, comfort, and compassion. So if you want to know more about why I recommend you to bring your cat or your dog to this clinic, come with me, I will show you more. Well, we are here with Rachel. She is the customer service representative, and she has a lot of experience. She was working more than 9 years on the veterinary field and came to work here with Dr. Sam. And well, Rachel, tell us, when I brought my dog here, always he was happy. And when I came and see other dogs, I always see them happy. What do you do to keep them happier?
Well, thank you first for the very warm introduction. So one of the things that we are really proud of at this clinic is that we have been able to maintain a very warm hometown feel while having a lot of sophisticated elements to our care. So, once you get beyond, the greeting of the receptionist, we have a very sophisticated x-ray suite, and beyond that radiology work, we are able to work with board certified radiologists who are able to then take those radiographs, do orthopedic surgery here in our suite if necessary, and we're also able to work with a mobile ultrasound specialist. So we are able to pull a lot of really, really helpful experience into our building without having to have that pet go maybe travel very far away into a space where maybe they're not as comfortable. Additionally, we are a very small staff, which just requires us to have a very intimate coming and going with all of our patients. So everybody here, when you come in the door, we typically know, who you are. We don't really even have to look you up most of the time.
That's true. That's
yes.
True. And the dogs also knows that you know them.
Yes.
And about all the services that you do in home, the good thing is that the customers have faster information about the problem that they have. Also, it is more accurate, the information that you get. But also it's cheaper because you do it here and they don't have to send it. So that is incredible. And there are not too many veterinarians in this area that are offering that type of services.
Yes, we're very proud of that. With our radiology, it comes with, immediately when the dog comes into the building and the x-rays are taken, those are automatically sent to an AI-generated software that can immediately tell us if there's fractures, organ changes that we need to be aware of. They don't have to wait, 24 to 48 hours for those to be processed. So we're very grateful that we are able to immediately start providing really comprehensive care the moment that your pet arrives.
So when the dog comes and for an annual check, what they do, where they go?
So most often pets are going to come around the corner here, kind of outside of your camera view, to be weighed. They'll go into an exam room where one of the assistants will do a very thorough intake, see what the pet is needing that day, see if there are any kind of medical concerns at that time. And then from there they are taken into our treatment suite. It's a very open area. The dog does not have to be confined in any way. They're able to sniff around, interact with staff, and then Dr. Martinez starts his exam.
And everybody loves animals here. Absolutely. And the dogs can feel it. So it's incredible. They come happy and they go happy to see Dr. Martinez.
Yes, he's really got a way with animals. He's very, very good at calming even the most nervous of patients.
So Rachel, where is Old Towne Veterinary located?
We are located at 9211 Center Street in Old Towne, Manassas. Appointments can be scheduled if you're a new client by going to oldtownevetclinic.com and filling out the new client form on the left-hand side of the page. On our website, we have a diagnostic tool that you are able to sort of put in your pet's concerns or symptoms, and from there you can get an idea of whether your pet is facing something emergent or non-emergent, so that way you don't have to rely on Dr. Google. You're able to get reliable information from us immediately, and from there we can triage your pet.
Well, if you have a dog or a cat and you think that you need to change your veterinary clinic, this is the place for you to come.